like for example, now one of my visions is to have a sales academy, at least the best in Africa by the grace of God. Now, now understanding that this is not going to be an easy feat, and sales as it is not just about affiliate marketing, it's about everything, the totality of it. There's sales psychology, there's influence, there's persuasion, there's objection handling, there's traffic generation, there's funnel creation, there's conversion optimization. Like there's a whole lot in it. It tells me that, guy, you need to learn all of these things, understand it, put it into practice before you can even come out to start teaching people how to do these things, right?
Yeah.
And that makes me take on a different trajectory than other persons have. And I don't mind the foundation phase, right? Because I understand the building I'm about to erect. So if the foundation is going to have a depth of 6 feet, when I'm under that 6 feet and I'm trying to lay the foundation, somebody that is building a bungalow must have completed their building and seen results before I even get to the surface level. Because first of all, I have to go down and then I'll have to start coming up again. So more like a seed has to go down before it can germinate, right? So I have to go down before I can now start coming up again. And then when I get to the surface level, now remember, other people have started seeing the results of their hard work and all of that stuff. But I still understand where I'm going to. But by the time you start building those buildings, coach by coach, before you even get to the 50th floor, 60th floor, these other people have been reaping whatever they are having. But the moment your building is complete and you activate, it's like a 100x push from like whatever that person has made in 10 years, you can literally make in 6 months or in 1 year. But now most people are not that patient to go through that particular phase, right? So this is kind of moving towards mindsets.
Yes, sir.
And of course, I don't know, like I'm very strong on mindset. Like my core values are mindset, accountability, and morals, right? My morals are what guides me to be ethical with sales, and aside sales alone, because I tell people that sales is a lifestyle, right? Sales is a lifestyle, and whoever you are, when you understand your purpose, it has to translate across your life. You have to make sure that whatever you are doing, if I'm not going to be telling lies to people in life, real life scenario, and I'm to sell to someone, then I have no reason whatsoever to go and tell the person a lie and then hide it under the guise of, oh, it's just business or it's business lie. I don't do so. Like, I don't believe in it. It's not one of my values, right? It doesn't align with my value, right? Accountability is me. Like, it's one of the things that you are going to need in business, in life, online. Like, you have to tell yourself that this is my fault. Like, you have to just take responsibility of it. And then accountability demands that, okay, how can I prevent this from happening again? You try to study the patterns and all of that stuff. Then your mindset is like your biggest arsenal. Like once a man is defeated in his mind, it's all over. Right. So like that's the reason why I like focusing on mindsets. I love focusing on mindset a lot. So even if eventually maybe, because when I tell people, I start telling them about mindset and I start going deeper, there are persons that I'm having a session with, I might not go this deep with them because one is, I look at their mind. Can their mind be able to carry the hard work that is facing them in front? Because people look at the figures, it's sweet. They rush, right? They rush to go and get those figures. And then you eventually, I've had people that say, oh, I just paid. And then they did not tell me that this was how it's going to be. They just said it's going to be easy. And I tell them, see, this thing is never going to be easy. I always like saying it too. I love working with people that are realistic, right? I'll tell you, this thing is not going to be easy. The money will come. Like the money is fast, it's sweet. You will enjoy it. But there is a place of hard work that must be acknowledged. So that will be all for now. And if you found this valuable, I'll make sure to link the full video right here where I went more in depth into it. So if you're interested in that, you can watch the video right here. And also don't forget to like and share this video to someone who will find it valuable. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss out subsequent videos such as this, because I'll be dropping a full training on affiliate marketing. Make sure to check the link in the description. I'm going to link that particular video in the description. So once again, I'm Mykail Arisa, your friendly value mate. And remember, don't just get online, get noticed.